Hey everybody, welcome back. It is F35 Annuities Practice. We're solving for R, which to put it in reality is if I put amount, I need $10,000 to start my own crocheting business in 20 years when I retire. How much do I need to put in every month to get that amount in 20 years at a certain percent? So it's figuring out what kind of payment you need to reach that goal that you've got figured out for later. Okay, so I also went ahead and wrote out the keying sequence. Okay, um, it's just easier if I do that first. You don't have to watch me as I try and remember how many brackets I need. Anyway, let's do this. So Skippy wants to have enough money for a down payment on a house in 8 years. 3.6 per year, compounded monthly. Okay, SRIN. How much money does he want? Right, he wants $25,000. Now, based on current housing prices, that's going to get you a nice house in Kipling or Kisby or some other small town somewhere, Lestock, Punishai, Quinton, all those fun places. Probably not going to get you anything in Regina, but that's okay. Go live in a small town. It's cool. All right. Now we need to know what his monthly payment, what he has to put in to save up. My interest rate, the interest rate is 3.6 divided by 100 divided by 12. I kind of guessed that. And this is going to be 8 years times 12. Oh, sorry. Math videos can make you sleepy, even when you're making them. 3.6 divided by, I cheated, 1200. They're doing it twice. 0.0038 times 12 should be 96. Yes. Okay, so there we go. Whoops. It's R. We're finding out the payment is equal to S. That's why we write the formula all the time. So if you get lost, you can figure it out. 0.003 divided by bracket, 1 plus my interest rate is 0.003 to the 96 bracket minus 1 bracket. Okay, I think we're golden. Right there, yep, that'll work. Times 0.003. 1, 2, 3 brackets. 1, oops, my bad. 1 plus 0.003. Close my bracket. Exponent 96. Close the bracket. Minus 1. Close the bracket. Equals and go. Is it really that low? Oh no, I did something wrong again. I think I missed a bracket. Or I added an extra 0. Let's try that again. 25,000 times 0.003 divided by bracket. 1 plus 0.003. Close the bracket. Exponent 96 payments. Close the bracket. Minus 1. Close the bracket. Equals. Ah, there we go. Yep. I don't know what I did the first time. I probably should rewatch the video, but it's okay. R is equal to 225.101. R is equal to 225.10. There you go. That is how much Skippy needs to save every month to get his down payment. Sorry for that pause. I had to move my heater. It's getting cold in here. Cool. Done. All right. Let's do the next one. Mark wants to save up, start a video equipment rental company. He wants to start in 3 years. SRIN. Okay. The moment you see that there is more than one payment, it's SRIN. It's an annuity or a mortgage, but we haven't done mortgages yet. So I guess it's an annuity right now. $10,000 is how much he wants. R is, I don't know, something or other. And interest is 8% divided by 100. Oh, quarterly. Divided by 4. Now, 8 divided by 400, 0.02. And N is going to be 3 years times 4 is 12 payments. Okay. My brain wants to do just a quick figure it out. 10,000 divided over 12 payments. Okay. So his payments are going to be less than $833 because if you just put money in the sock drawer, you'd only have to put $833 every quarter. That's just me getting a rough estimate of what the answer is supposed to be. So R is equal to S, 10,000 times I, which is 0.02 divided by 1 plus 0.02 to the N. N is 12 minus 1, close the brackets. R is equal to, okay, here we go. Whoops, not bracket. Bracket would work, but times is easier. 0.02 divided by 1, 2, 3 brackets. 1 plus 0.02. Close that bracket. Now I need an exponent of 12. Close that bracket. Minus 1. Close that bracket. And ta-da! 745.595. So 745.59. That's going to make that go up. It's going to make that go up. It's going to be 60. And $sign. That is what his quarterly payment would be. If you want to know that, never mind. I was going to say per month, divide by 4. Divide by 3. Sorry, 3 months. See, just going to leave it alone. And woohoo! End of this video. Thanks for joining.